Good afternoon, everyone. Long time no see. I hope you're still interested in the crypto market. Despite the losses, I think most retailers lost, at least those people I know, and I hope my surrounding is not just losers, but I think we all lost. And that was probably the plan of the big players that are much more experienced and have a clear vision for what's happening, unlike most of us. But we all learn. It was the first bull run season. Now in a bear season, and I think this time I'm start buying now in that bear season. Pardon. How much I've lost? I've lost all the gains. I made 10x on the way up. Entered quite late. No, on this one, I'll point the attention to crypto.com. I speculated with Wink, one of the very altcoins, the cheapest altcoin on Binance. That strategy paid out. I didn't cash out £250,000. We're back to zero. Actually, I've tried to short as well. I lost money from shorting. Mage lost. It was a roller coaster. I decided day trading is not worth it. Binance got banned in the UK. It's being banned in the US and Canada. It's going to get banned in Italy. Maybe it's political, maybe not. I left Binance. I'm using crypto.com now. And I'm focusing solely on their coin. And I'll tell you why. Let's just go through the website. So they have an app. They have an app themselves. And the app is your fiat converter. So you register, I will send you links. You register and you put your fiat money here, you buy Tether, and then you do your trades. You can do everything in the app if you're a basic user, but I recommend you go to the exchange, which is a different wallet, and you have to re-register again with the same credentials. I will send you a link for that one as well. What they offer there is 4 things, and I'm not quite sure all the 4 fits everyone. Me personally, I like Stake, the Syndicate, and Supercharger, and I participate in the Stake. It's a 6-month lock of your funds. In the app is 3 months, but the APR is 6%. Here is 6 months lock, and you get 10%. And 10% is great because I've already put 10,000, and I'll get 1,000 coins back. And that's just now this week because I've started buying. I ideally want to be in the hundreds of thousands, so I want to be at least 100,000 K here. If I manage to get here or even up here, depending on the price of CRO, I consider myself rich in a few years because I'll be locking these funds. I wouldn't be panic selling, and I'll get 10% on it, so I'll still generate profit regardless of the price action. So that's what you get from staking for 6 months. Once you stake, you can use a percentage of that, 10-20% of that, to buy coins that are listed on crypto.com at 50% discount. The last one was Matic. You get Polkadot, Zil, Filecoin, etc., etc. That's great. I missed the last one because I'm a new user. I'm looking forward to the next one. The other one that's quite interesting, so I'll try to balance. I'll try to have 100,000 CRO coins on at least in staked, and then another 100,000 in the Supercharger. I participate in that. It's a pool liquidity thing, simply put, and they're going every other month. Shiba, Dogecoin, etc. I participate in that. You stake for 45 days flexibly, so you can withdraw all the time, and you get 45 days of reward afterwards. And I've put just today I put 10,000 here. And basically what happens is you stake your CRO here and you get your interest rate, which is estimated to be 9%, about 10% on average, in Bitcoin. So you get more coins. You definitely get more coins. And that's the Supercharger. Those are the markets. This is the app. I highly recommend it. Let's get to the price. Why am I looking at crypto.com? Because Binance might be dying out, might be not. They have 200,000 Bitcoins themselves, so who knows? But we haven't seen logarithmic price action like the BNB. So I believe crypto.com their coin is somewhere here, and probably here or here somewhere. And it's yet to come, that logarithmic exponential growth. So that's why I'm trying to get hundreds of thousands of CRO coins, and I want interest rate on it, because let's say I get 250,000 coins on average over a year. I'll get 25,000 coins, and even at the price now, that's some profit. And keep in mind, at all-time high, if you manage to earn 25,000 at all-time high, that will be 6-7 grand. So it's not that bad. We haven't risked anything. That's just staking. Would it go up? Everything goes up over time, the whole market, unless another COVID happens or whatever. But that's why we buy now when things are not looking great. We're buying at the bottom. Will it reach $1? I hope so, because they'll have hundreds of thousands, and then my interest rate will pay quite nicely. As you can see, 25,000 coins times 1, 25 grand. And if I manage to get that profit, and that will be just my interest, if I manage to make again that £250,000, but this time safely, and cash it out, I'm profitable, unlike the last bull run. And that's what we want to do. We want to make money, and it's easy to make, but it's hard to cash out and quit. That's why incremental buying and then incremental selling on the way down. My increments are 5,000 coins, about 5,000 here. Yes, it's quite high, but better start from somewhere than don't start at all. 5,000 here, 5,000 here, and today 5,000 here. I will continue to buy if the price goes down. If it goes up, I stay and wait for another drop. Would it drop below 8 cents? I hope so. Ideally at 8 cents, I will have to spend times $8,000, which is £6,000. Yes, I can afford more than 100,000 coins, and the interest rate will be decent. So this is what we're supposed to. It's not financial advice, but this is what I'm doing. This is my financial action here. Buying around that support line. If it holds, great. I'll bought enough and keep it locked. Earn 10% or earn Bitcoin or whatever coin is on offer in the supercharger. If it drops below, if it drops at 5 cents, I'll be going big, because I'll be buying another 250,000 at least at 5 cents. It will cost me 12 grand in dollars, which is about 9 grand in pounds. Yeah, I'll put 9 grand. I'm planning to go big, because buying now at the dip will be much more profitable after a year. So I won't be jumping here or here and not know what to do. I'll be jumping here, and then when I see that, I cash out or keep buying. Depends how long your game is, and these prices will correspond to a Bitcoin of about 25,000, 20,000. Will it test the 20,000? I hope so. I will buy more. Will it go even further deep, retest that previous high at 15,000? I would love to see it, but no one knows. And that's why we buy on the way down here, because somewhere here is the bottom. If it goes further down, which might be ridiculous, might happen, buy more discounted. Bitcoin is apparently is for the long game, because when this happened, I didn't buy. I was looking at this happening. I didn't buy here. I was actually shorting here. It went up. Didn't buy here. I start thinking about buying here. I sold that. It retraced. I bought here, and they fucked us up. And I moved to altcoins. I made some money there, but too little, too late. Let's start planning here. We're here somewhere. Who knows if we're here, or maybe we're even somewhere here. If we see that, great. If we see that, lovely. If not, we might just see continuation of the uptrend, as always. And as simple as that. back to crypto.com coin, not this exchange. Okay, this graph. It's time to buy. It's time to buy. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. You can go back. Here. It's time to buy. Somewhere here. We're buying. Because this is what comes next. I can portray that to you. I'm trying to be not too generous. Bar patterns. Trying to be not too generous. But let's see. Here we are. Why not? Just history repeating itself. Nothing else. Nothing else. 40 cents. New all-time high.